Hello, crochet enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to crochet a beautiful rose, perfect for decorating a variety of projects like bags, hats, or even home decor. I'm excited to guide you through every step of this process. Feel free to experiment with color combinations and size adjustments to make your rose uniquely yours. You can make it smaller, larger, or multicolored, totally up to you. For this project, I'm using Elise cotton gold yarn and a 2.75mm crochet hook. These materials work beautifully together to create a stunning rose. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Now, let's jump right into creating our rose. Start by leaving a small yarn tail at the beginning, which we'll use later to assemble the rose. Make a slip knot and chain 75 stitches, not too tight. Once you've made your 75 chains, go to the 5th chain from the hook and work a double crochet stitch. Now, chain 3. In the same chain space, make another double crochet stitch. This is your first V-stitch. Next, chain 1. Skip 3 chains, and in the next chain, work a double crochet, chain 3, and another double crochet to create your second V-stitch. Chain 1, skip 3 chains, and repeat the same steps. Double crochet, chain 3, double crochet, in the next chain to make another V-stitch. Continue making a total of 18 V-stitches, remembering to chain 1 between each one. You should now have 3 V-stitches done. Keep going until you've made all 18. Don't forget to chain 1 between each V. After finishing all 18 V-stitches, chain 1, skip 3 chains, and complete the row with a double crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, turn your work, and in the first chain space, make a slip stitch. In the V-stitch space, work 10 double crochet stitches. When you finish the 10th double crochet, it's time to switch to your second color. Chain 1 and continue crocheting, carrying the first color underneath your stitches. In the space between 2 V-stitches, make a single crochet. Remember to carry the second color under your stitches as well. In the next V-stitch, crochet 10 double crochets. When you get to the 10th double crochet, switch back to the yellow yarn and close the last 2 stitches with it. Now, carry the red yarn under your work and between the next 2 V-stitches, make a single crochet. For the next V-stitch, work 10 double crochet stitches. And when you get to the last two, switch back to the red yarn. Continue working 10 double crochet stitches in each V-stitch, changing colors as you go until you reach the end of the row. When you reach the end of the row, make a single crochet in the center of the last two V-stitches using the red yarn. Carry the yellow yarn under your work and finish the last V-stitch with 10 double crochet stitches. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the top of the starting chain to join. Chain 1, then cut both the yellow and red yarns. Now, weave in the ends of your yarn by tucking them into the back of your stitches to secure everything. Time to shape the rows. Thread the starting yarn end onto a needle. Continue spiraling your work around itself. For a tighter rose, roll it snugly. For a more open rose, roll it loosely. Secure the layers with stitches from the back as you work. Once you've got it rolled to your liking, secure it by stitching through the back with the needle. This will keep everything in place. Once you're sure the needle has gone through all the loops, tie a knot on the back to secure it and cut the yarn. And that's it. You've made your very own crochet rose. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow crochet lovers. It really makes a difference. See you in the next video, and take care.